Hello, my name is Natalia Porsche and I am an immigration attorney in the United States. My office is based in Biloxi, Mississippi. And in this video, I will tell you first thing that will likely to happen when President-elect Trump will come into the office. Well, first of all, of course, in immigration field, we have changes that are coming, and likely the first thing that he will change removal priorities. Again, prosecutorial discretion. I keep talking about prosecutorial discretion because this is a tool that immigration attorneys use, or in the past we will be saying that in 60 days, used to use, in order to dismiss cases which are not priority. So therefore you have 60 days if your case is not priority, if you're in deportation proceedings, if you have a weak asylum case, you might consider, and you have some kind of other, visa available to you, right, through USCIS, or you can adjust your status, or you can file for a special juvenile petition with USCIS, or any other relief that you have. Likely prosecutorial discretion will be a tool that could be used to close your deportation case in immigration proceedings. So even if you do not have a visa currently available to you, maybe it's a good tool just to use to close your deportation proceedings because you do not have a good defense to deportation. Let's say you do not have a good case for asylum, or you're not eligible for cancellation of removal. For example, if you are not eligible for cancellation of removal because you cannot satisfy the amount of years that you have been present here in the United States, 10 years continuous legal presence uninterrupted, so therefore you can use prosecutorial discretion to close your case. Therefore, in the future, if you are issued NTA, you likely will be able to satisfy that 10 years continuous presence in the United States, and therefore acquire more property, right, to show that you have a stable, good defense to a deportation in the form of cancellation of removal for it to be for non-legal residents in the United States. So likely prosecutorial discretion will go out of the window in 60 days. So therefore, if you can reopen and dismiss your case, let's say if you have outstanding order of deportation, prosecutorial discretion is a tool that you can use also to reopen and close your case if the government will be willing to use prosecutorial discretion. And in my opinion, right now, immigration judges strongly encouraging people, attorneys, and both sides, the government and the defense lawyers, to use prosecutorial discretion to close deportation cases which are eligible to be closed. And it's remind you that if the person doesn't have any criminal conviction, criminal record, and the person, is a good moral character person. So this kind of cases, they're still subject to prosecutorial discretion, closure of the case. So therefore, use this tool while you're still eligible, right? If you have an order of deportation, if you fail to show up to your hearing, let your attorney get into contact with the government's attorney and see if you can reopen and close your case. So therefore, there is no outstanding of order deportation, and you're not the first one to be deported from the United States, right? So that's a prosecutorial discretion. That's a great tool to be used in order to reopen and close your case, or in order to close your deportation case if you have visas available out there for you, right? So that's a great tool. Therefore, you have about 60 days. January the 20th is around the corner, and you might as well consider that, hiring a lawyer and use this tool in order to close your case. Keep in mind, this information is not an attorney's advice. This is a general information for general knowledge only. If you need a specific advice related to your case, you need to contact an experienced immigration lawyer. To set up a consultation with my office, you can call 228-229-7500. Hablo Español. The website is up there, www.nataliaporschlawfirm.com. You're welcome to contact my office. Always use an experienced immigration lawyer in order to determine what kind of remedies are you eligible for, or you need what steps you need to take in order to protect yourself from upcoming madness, right? Immigration madness. So think about it, okay? Well, again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you watch me on Facebook, you are welcome to make a comment, a nice one, please. If you are watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, put thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great Monday and the rest of the week. Goodbye.